Welcome to watch today's fresh home. A blend of Japanese and Scandinavian design, Cobble Hill Townhouse emerges as a warm family abode discreetly nestled away from the street, providing a secluded sanctuary for its British Swiss owners. Claire-hung design and studio Vural craft a timeless home where handmade craftsmanship is combined with a modern aesthetic. Contributing to the character of a New York City street, Cobble Hill Townhouse sits within a pre-existing brownstone-style dwelling in the suburb of the same name. Situated amid the road streets of inner Brooklyn and Manhattan, the preservation of the facade was a pivotal aspect of the two-year transformation process. Infusing design elements from their individual cultural backgrounds, hailing from the United Kingdom and Switzerland, the owners desired a residence that resonated with the familiarity of their respective homelands while capturing the essence of living in New York City. Collaborating with Studio Vural, Claire-hung design completes the envisioned interior with precision.